Hello everyone. So in order to enable a reverse wireless charging on your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, you are to swipe down from the very top of your screen. Now swipe down again, find your pencil icon right here, find your full mode and press edit. Now you are to choose from the available buttons list. So you are to choose wireless power sharing. Let's tap here. When you've chosen everything, simply press done, and now it will be added to your quick access panel. So swipe down once again, and find your power sharing icon right here. So tap it to activate. Now let's flip our phone, just like that, and let's grab our phone which needs to be charged. So simply put it on your... Okay, let's try it out once again. Sometimes it needs some time to work, so let's do this. Alright, now let's try to charge. And as we see, our phone is getting charged now. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.